Yeah, I'm just recording again. Let me tell you the important points here again. First, you need to have an Oberlo account. Okay, Ashish, it's for you. Listen to this. Then it's an Oberlo app. What you need to do is just go to Okapi Central, that's your website name. Install an Oberlo app. After that, Oberlo Google Chrome extension. Okay, Oberlo Google Chrome extension, have this extension, and it will ask you to connect to the store. Just connect to the store. That's it. And after you connect to the store, right? Okay, go to AliExpress. That is, I asked you to get your 4 products, right? Go to this particular 4 products, any of these 4 products. Okay, let me type in yoga acupuncture mat. Okay, let me take leg mat. Yesterday we had that, right? Let me check that. Yoga leg mat, for example. Okay, let me take this, guys. Let me take any of these. Okay, let me take any of this. Okay, somebody gave me the link. Thank you. Who is that? Ravi, thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Let me copy this. Policy. Okay, anyways, I got it. Yeah. Okay, this is what it is. So now to add this particular thing to your Shopify store, okay, you have underneath, if you can see here, guys, underneath, if you can see here, you got right side bottom, you're able to see the Oberlo icon. This is an Oberlo icon. Just click on this. Just click on this. You'll get an option here, adding product to the import list. Understand this 500% concentration here. You're going to get this particular option only if you are having an Oberlo account with your Gmail ID. You need to sign up for an account. Okay, it'll ask you to sign up for an account, sign up for the account. It'll ask you to connect to the store, connect to the store. Only then you're going to get this particular thing. Okay, now what exactly happens is, okay, now what exactly happens is, after this, just click on open import list. Now what exactly is happening is, from AliExpress, the product is now moving to, understand this, the product is now moving to Oberlo. From Oberlo, we are moving that particular product to the Shopify store. Okay, got my point? From AliExpress to the Oberlo, from the Oberlo to your Shopify store. Again, AliExpress to Oberlo, Oberlo to the Shopify store. So this is the product that I'm talking about. Now, if you wanted to import this particular product, go right away, import this particular product, right away, import this particular product. But my suggestion is change the title here. Okay, change the title here, add some emotional adjectives like your ultimate leg exerciser. I'm not good at spelling exerciser. Okay, whatever it is. Okay, your ultimate leg exerciser, or else your ultimate leg yoga mat. Something like this. Something like this. Anyway, something like this. Change the title here. Do not have the same title. Okay, don't have the same title. Let me check. Somebody are putting some chats. Indoor bed lamp. Okay, I will take that as well. Okay, don't worry. Okay, now let me click on this. Now click on view original product. It will give you some stats as well, guys. It will also give you some stats. If you can see this, in the last 30 days, 8 orders. In the last 6 months, 95 orders. Okay, if you are okay with this, if you're okay with this particular stats, what you can do is go back to Oberlo, click on import to the store. Click on import to the store, and now this particular product is getting imported to the store. Now the yoga ultimate leg yoga mat has been imported to Shopify store. Just click on edit the product on Shopify. Very important, guys, but very short class. Okay, all these things. If you can see all the images that are from AliExpress are first imported to Oberlo, and from Oberlo they are imported to your Shopify store. Understand this. First, the products are from AliExpress to Shopify store, from Shopify store to the Oberlo store to the Shopify store. Okay. Where is the pricing to change? I'm going to show you that. Just wait. Cypher, just wait. I'm going to show you that. So scroll down. Here is the pricing. Here is the pricing. Here is the pricing. If you can see this, here is the pricing. And the quantity that is there with the vendor. These are the quantity that are there with the vendor right now. Okay, if you wanted to check this, just click on view option. Now this particular product you can see on Shopify. You know, I got it. Your ultimate yoga mat. I'm selling it for $28.28. Change all this color name A, B, C, D. That is a variant. This variant that can be changed here. Just scroll down. See more options. Edit options. If you can see this, it's not about color. Just type in variant. Variant. Okay. Variant A, variant B, variant C, variant D. Okay, let me. Okay, variant. Okay, you can put all your variants here. More options, edit options. Just type in variant. Okay, just say done. Okay, just say save now. Now all the options are with you. Just refresh it again. See variant A, B, C, D, something like that. If you click on A, it will go to A. If you click on C, it will go to C. If you can see the changes here also, we have changes here. If you click on D, you are getting $34.32 as D option. So all the varieties are automatically set it up for you. The only thing that you are going to do here is just importing the product from AliExpress to Oberlo, from Oberlo to the Shopify store. Let me know in the chat box if you have any questions still here. Let me know in the chat box if you have any questions still here on the Q&A section, please. If it is clear, just type in clear in the chat box. If it is clear, just type in clear in the chat box. Okay. Clear. No need to change the description. It is required to change the description. I'll talk about description later. Where's the option of vendor selection? We do not have any vendor selection right now. After we get the order, right? After we get the order, we are going to talk about the vendor then. Where the price to change? Okay. Here is the price to change. Here is the price to change. Okay, I'm going to tell you once again, guys. Anyways, okay, here is the price to change. If you can see this, here is the price to change. Here is the price to change. Okay. Okay, let me take one more product for you. Okay, guys, concentrate here. I'm going to show you one more product, and after that, the rest is yours. Okay, Sayan, I'm going to tell you one more product for you. Okay, now what I'm trying to do here is, let me take questions here. Installed Oberlo, but it's not working in the app section. Just click on that. You will have to create an account. How much should we set pricing after importing from the Oberlo? Into 2.5 or into 3? For example, I'm getting it for $9. I'll sell it for $27. Please repeat once. I'm going to show you that. Will it appear in the Shopify store? Yes. I'm going to show you once again, guys. Understand this. Okay. Now, let me take one more product. Let me go to AliExpress. Okay, let me click here. Let me take this one of my important favorite products. I sold a good, good number of units of this portable. What do you call? What do you call, man? Seriously, projector. Portable projector. This is the product which is my favorite. Yeah, this product. I was talking about this particular product. I sold a lot. You know who is, guys, let me know in the chat box whom can I target. This is a portable projector, guys. You can carry wherever you want. This is a portable projector. And let me know in the chat box who are my target audience for this. Let me know in the chat box who are my target audience for this. Students, okay. Teachers, okay. Students. Maybe instructor, teacher, watch, okay. Sales, students, business people and students, coach, startups. Okay, shall I tell you the truth? Education institutes, okay, thank you. Family, Ravi, okay. Ravi, okay. Anyone, okay. Let me tell you, wait, what price you sold it? I'm going to tell you that. Just wait. Sagar, you said perfect. I sold it to the people who love Netflix. Movie, yes. Sagar said it correct. Netflix. Netflix. I targeted Netflix. I got good number of sales for targeting Netflix. Maybe you can try it right now. I cannot comment on that. Let me check the sales, guys. The sales are okay. If you want, you can try it. Netflix. I targeted Netflix, and I sold it for almost $80. 80 to in between $80 to $90. It's been almost 1.5 years back, almost. Yeah, 1.5 2 years back. I sold it around 230 240 products of this particular. Okay, Netflix is a targeting what I did for this particular product. Okay, now let us now import this particular product to the Shopify store. How do you do that? First option, install the Google Chrome. Second option, install the app. Third option, log into your sign up for the Oberlo account. Next, connect to the store. Next, go to the AliExpress, and then you will find something. You'll find something called as an icon here. Just click on this icon. Onto the top, you'll find adding product to the import list. Unfortunately, the product does not compile. Okay. Oberlo is not allowing this product to import. Let me try one more product for you. What sort of product shall I show you which is selling right now? Balloon car toy. This is also one of my students is doing good business with this particular product. Where is that? I'll show you exact product. One of my students is making. Yeah, this is a product. This is the product, guys. One of my students is getting good number of sales for this. Okay. Yeah, see. This is a nice product. If you wanted to concentrate, you can actually sell this particular product. So here, just click on Oberlo here. Just click on Oberlo and just scroll up. Okay, product imported successfully. Open the import list. Now from AliExpress, the product is imported to Oberlo. If you wanted to change the description here, you can change the description here. Let me type in your kids' favorite companion, something like that. If you wanted to change the description, you can change the description here itself. Okay. If you wanted to, if you wanted to change the pricing here, you can also change the pricing here. If you wanted to add some more images, if you wanted to delete some images, you can delete and add some more images here. Okay. After this, let me go to the product again. Just click on view original product just to get some sort of confidence how many sales this particular toy got in the last 30 days. Okay, scroll down. See, in the last 30 days, 261 sales. In the last 30 days, this is also one of the winning products I'm giving you right away. If you wanted to experiment, you can directly experiment taking this particular product. Okay, now just click on add it to the import list, right? Okay, just click on import to the store. Okay, now your kid's favorite companion is being imported. Let me check. Okay, add the product on Shopify. Now let's see that particular product. Just click on view. Now see, I got my product here. Your kid's favorite companion. This is my template, guys. Don't worry about this particular template. I'm going to give you this template at the last. Now I got my product here. Clear till here? Let me know in the chat box. Clear? If it is clear, what we do if Overload does not import specific product, you can go with another vendor. AliExpress, the same product in AliExpress is there with the different vendors. You can go with the other vendors as well. Okay. So also we'll have to position this in the Shopify app. No, not required. Unicorn Smash is not working on my laptop. What should I do? Why it is not working on your laptop? Uninstall and install Google Chrome. That's it. Okay, guys, I hope I answered all your questions. So now, guys, assignments comes up. Assignment is whatever product research. So we can edit the product either in Oberlo and Shopify. Yes, you can edit either in Oberlo or in Shopify, wherever it is. Now the assignment is whatever products that you have right now with you, you need to import those products from AliExpress to Oberlo and Oberlo to your store. If it is clear, type in clear in the chat box. Type in clear in the chat box if it is clear. Okay, start working, guys. Start working. That's all for today. That's all for today. We'll have a class again tomorrow. Maybe we'll have a class at 7:30 tomorrow. I'm going to put the timings there. Okay. Tomorrow I'm going to discuss about page builder. Tomorrow I'm going to discuss about page builder. Okay. Let me take these questions. That's all. Clear the assignment? Please import the products from AliExpress to Oberlo, Oberlo to your site. Then only I can explain you the page builder concept. Then only I can explain the page builder concept.